Howdy folks, and welcome to Meyer Outdoors. On today's episode, I'm cooking camp breakfast. It's sure to be delicious, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna start camp breakfast by getting some fresh water. And a lot of people probably don't have fresh running spring water at their camp or cabin, but I do here. I'm still gonna run it through this Sawyer mini filter. Get the water through there, and we're going to run it through a filter and get back into the camp. Well, this might not be my first pick, but it's what I got here. We're going to do some instant coffee. That'll be plenty there. And I've heated some water up. I should have brought my percolator, but this will do. That bacon is almost ready. Always cook my bacon first before I cook my eggs in the skillet. See all that nice grease bacon left behind? That'd be good on those eggs. Here's your Meyer Outdoors pro tip of the day. You want to have eggs for breakfast at camp? Try putting them in a little container like this. Keep them safe. Yeah, we'll cook some grits to go along with breakfast. Got these instant grits. Pretty simple instructions. Well, I've added my grits to my boiling water. Let's set up for just a little bit and we'll be ready for breakfast. Well, there you have it, folks, finished product. Camp breakfast served up in a mess kit. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Meyer Outdoors.